Hi, my name is David, and in today's video we're talking about how to make money with temporary tattoos. At Ghost White Toner we're currently in a series of how to make money with t-shirts, mugs, and today it's all about temporary tattoos. Temporary tattoos are great for events such as birthday parties, sporting events, Halloween events, and they really work great as a sale on Etsy, on the internet, or directly at any event. In today's video, we're going to crunch the numbers for you, what profit you can make on each and every single tattoo using our fantastic equipment and transfer media. Everything you need is a white toner laser printer such as our little Ghost, or a compatible white toner cartridge for your printer, or one of our professional Pro X printing systems, as well as our temporary tattoo paper, which comes as an A sheet where you print on and a B sheet which you need to apply. We've got a video on the channel where I show you the step-by-step process how to make temporary tattoos, just like the ones I'm wearing here on my forearm, and you can wear them anywhere on your skin and easily remove them. But today we're going to crunch numbers and show you what profit you can make on temporary tattoos today. So let's start with the media. The price of the A sheet and the B sheet of the temporary tattoo paper in US dollars is $3.96. All prices in this video are in US dollars. We also have a Euro video online for our European customers. So we add the printing cost as usual, which is calculated with 50 cents. So we have a total of $4.46 US dollars for one fully printed sheets of temporary tattoos for laser transfer. So if we take that $4.46 and divide it by 12 designs which we have fit nicely on this sheet of laser tattoo paper, we come out with a single design at an entry cost of 0.37 cents. So it's 37 cents for one tattoo. So let's look up how tattoos are sold. This is very individual. I'm convinced that you can make a great margin depending on the design that you offer or the occasion. If you're selling tattoos right before a sporting game, it is an emotional purchase, and customers who are fans of a certain team, who cheer for one team, will certainly buy a tattoo at a price between $2 or $4. On the internet though, tattoos start at $4 and go all the way up to $10, a little bit depending on the size and on the design on the tattoo. But crunching numbers down, you will see that you can make great profit on the low end of $3.63 US dollars and on the high end of $9.63. So you can make up to almost $10 in profit or almost $4 in profit on a single sold temporary tattoo. Temporary tattoos is a very versatile, easy to use option for you to add profit to your business or to even start out with a completely new business. Everything you need for making temporary tattoos or other great personalized transfer products such as t-shirts and mugs is available on our online store. I will put the link in the description below. We sell entry-level systems such as our little Ghost, single white toner cartridges for your corresponding printer, a ton of transfer media for all sorts of surfaces, and high-end white toner printers for professional printing applications. If you like the videos and if you're into temporary tattoos, please leave us a thumbs up for this video. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel and activate the bell to get notified when we put out new stuff on all things transfer, personalization, and white toner. A white toner laser printer is a great tool to either start a business or to add new items to your business, because you will always be producing on demand and just in time. No need for you to store expensive finished products. You will just produce when your customer is ordering. So if you like that and if you want to invest in a white toner printer, reach out to us. We're happy to assist you to find the right system for you. For today I say thanks for watching and see you next time.